Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Do you guys remember this install from my very first video? Well, today she's back for a touch-up. It's been 3 weeks and she was feeling this hair so much she decided to wear it for one more week, only with waves instead of straight. I used 91% alcohol to soak the closure and the cap before removing them. Then I went in with my blow dryer to dry up any excess that was left after cleaning it with my antibacterial wipes. I then placed the cap down. Please note that not in all cases the cap can be reused, but since she only wanted it for an additional week, it was fine for me to reuse the cap. Sometimes I'll just take that cap off and apply another one. I laid the cap back down using the Bold Old Active Glue. Then I applied her closure. Now I'm just doing her one curls. Ladies, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at honeyscloset_beauty_bar and on Facebook at Honey's Closet and Beauty Bar. If you would like to book with me, you can contact me on either of those social media platforms. My number is there. All you have to do is just click the call now on Facebook. I don't really like DMs on Instagram. Sometimes those messages would be there for days, even weeks, and I don't see them, so I prefer if you just WhatsApp me direct. Okay, so basically what I'm doing now, I'm just continuing to do our one curls, and it's just going to be pretty much the same thing for a few minutes until the entire head is complete. Stay tuned for my discount code for this video. I drop discount codes in each of my videos, so if you'd like to purchase any of the bundles or the wigs or maybe even lashes, you can just text me the discount code or say it when you come to buy, okay? There are only 2 items that you will not be able to get a discount on, and those items are lace closures and lace frontals. This is due to the shortage in the industry. Lace has become very scarce and the prices have spiked ever since then. So this is way beyond my control, so you guys can come and get discount on anything else except from those items. I am almost done with our one curls. After that, I'll just be fixing the baby hairs. The discount code for this video is pumpkin. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.